Hello guys, this is Ben with Joy's Gaming Electronics. Hope you guys are having an awesome night or day. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace a Samsung SM-R860 battery. This will also work on a SM-R865U, SM-R870, and a SM-R875U. The process is basically the same, so you shouldn't worry about taking any further steps than in this video. As you can see, this is an SM-R860. The tools that you'll need is a Joe's flathead, a Joe's 1.5 plus screwdriver, a Joe's Y.6 screwdriver, some type of pry tool. We're going to be using the Joe's pry tool, and you'll need a plastic spudger. And you also need the battery for the repair. First, we're going to start off by grabbing the Y.6 screwdriver and unscrewing these 4 screws right here. Once you have unscrewed all the 4 screws, we're going to grab some type of heat gun. And we're just going to quickly go around the back cover just to loosen the adhesive a little, just so the back cover comes off very nicely. Alright, next, after you unscrew all the 4 screws, we're going to grab our Joe's GE pry tool, grab a little bit of alcohol, and then we're going to start off on the power button side. Just go down like this and lift it up just a little. Go right around, and it should pop right open, just like that. Next, what we're gonna do is grab our spudger and just disconnect the back cover, and there you go. The back cover is off now. Next, what you want to do is grab our flathead, or you could use your spudger. I usually use your spudger just in case we don't damage any type of buttons. I'm just gonna lift up the main connection point to the screen that goes to the motherboard. Next, what you want to do is grab our flathead, and there's these points right here, and I usually grab our spudger and lift it up from there also, and you're just gonna lift up the motherboard with the battery. There you go. The motherboard and the battery are off. We're going to put the screen aside for now. Next, what we're going to grab is the Joe's 1.5 plus screwdriver. And there is this one screw that is holding the motherboard to the battery and this connection point. And we're just going to unscrew the screw. Put that to the side. We're gonna grab our spudger, disconnect this connection points, and the motherboard should just come right off just like that. Put this battery aside, grab our new battery, grab our motherboard, put it like this, align it to the hole, and what I usually do is I connect this right away. You should just hear it clip in. Make sure everything is planted how it should be. We're gonna grab the 1.5 plus screwdriver, put the screw right back where it was. There we go. The motherboard is in place how it should be. We're gonna grab our screen. We're gonna make sure this connection point is not in the way. Grab our motherboard, align it, and you're gonna hear a click. You're gonna slowly press down. There we go. It's in. We're gonna grab our plastic spudger and connect this point. You should just hear it clip in. There you go. Next we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our back cover, align it with this connection point that where we disconnected it from. We're gonna grab our spudger and we're gonna reconnect it. Next we're gonna kind of pick it up, make sure it's aligned with all the holes, and just clip it back in, and just go right around everywhere just to make sure it's all in how it should be. It looks like everything is in properly. Just make sure, just go all around. Then we're gonna grab our Y.6 screwdriver and start putting the screws into a horizontal pattern, just like that, or a zigzag motion. Just screw it right in, hand tight. And there we have it. The repair is complete. The battery is, right now it is dead, so I cannot see if it is working, or looks like it is charged. So there we have it. The unit turns on, and that is how you replace a battery on a SM-R860. This is compatible also to a 865U, 870, or 875U, but the sizes are different, so do not buy the 860 battery for the 870 and the other way around, because that will not be compatible. The repair, like the steps, are compatible, not the actual battery to the 870 battery. So we're just gonna quickly go through and see if everything works. Looks like everything's working as it should be, and we're just gonna power off the unit for now. And the repair is complete. If you do not feel comfortable in doing this repair yourself, you could always send it to us. We have techs that have done this multiple times, and we know how to do it properly, and we will make sure it will be working better than new. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a comment down below on what you guys want to see next. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your night or day. Peace.